guys, today we're going to be recreating a very popular YouTube video that's been going crazy over social media the past month. A guy named Thomas Halbert started the trend, I guess you can say, and he recreated a Jeffree Star makeup tutorial and he followed it step by step. But since the makeup tutorials have been going crazy and everyone's done them, I feel like everyone at least that I follow has done one. We're going to be recreating a Milabu hairstyle tutorial. So if you don't know who Milabu is, she is an amazing artist here on YouTube. She does hair, makeup, and fashion, and she's just really awesome. I have followed so many of her videos before, and whenever this trend came out, I was like, yeah, I could do a makeup video like everyone else, or I could do something really cool and different for this channel so far and do a hair tutorial. So today we're going to be recreating her Retro Faux Hawk tutorial. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous. And it's gonna have my hair like braided back in this crazy amount of curls. I don't know if my hair is going to do that. I guess we'll see. But if you want to see how I follow a Milabu hair tutorial, then keep watching. You ready? Let's go.
Are you ready for another wear it or had it episode? I keep forgetting episode. So for this one, we're gonna create one of my favorite hairstyles, a faux hawk. And this one's a little cool. A little bit, it's a lot cool.
Okay.
In my opinion. Okay. So what I'm doing, I'm just gonna take my hands first and create like a faux hawk from the top. And then if it's a little too crazy, I'm gonna take my rat tail comb, love this one, I will have it linked down below for you guys, and just go once more again, and then maybe like clean up the edges if I need to. Clip that whole.
Hold on. Ah! All right.
Walk away with your croc pins.
I don't have croc pins, but I have Crocs. Amazing.
We're going to create kind of like a half sun around the ear. So you have the ear here. So we're going to have sections of hair going up towards the parting line that we created, or I created, with the little faux hawk on each side. So let me explain to you. Okay, so you come to your ear.
Okay.
You find your ear, like the top of your ear, right here. We're going to find it, and then we're going to create a little diagonal line with the rat tail comb going up towards the parting line. So now that I have my first section, we're going to bring up that hair towards the parting line that we created with that faux hawk, or for that faux hawk. So I'm just going to take my brush and make sure I just brush it up. You want to bring it as close.
Hold on. Okay.
Yes, you can. So see, it's nice and tight to my scalp. Take a clear elastic, a really tiny one. Just don't hurt yourself. Now back in my tooth. Oh, it's bleeding. I'm not even kidding.
Oh, girl.
Don't do that.
I feel you there.
Gentle. Alright, so, and then we're going to tie it off as close as possible to our parting line. Make sure you keep pulling the hair up so it's nice and tight.
Okay, I'm not going, hold on. I'm not going to use clear elastics. I'm going to use these dark elastics because I have darker hair. So, let's see. Okay. She's so not having this much trouble.
Oh, it's not bleeding too bad. Starting from the same section again, we're going to do a little diagonal going a little bit sideways, like so. Let's see what it looks like first. So once you have your section, bring it to the top, and we're going to take this to the back so we don't touch it. And do the same thing. Bring it up to your parting line and tie it off. Alright.
Alright, hold on. Up to the parting line. and tie it off. Okay, and then she kind of pushed it down. Ah, that's okay, 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 okay. Okay.
We actually just parted
Keep doing it.
Head before I move on to the rest of these sections, because I want to make sure the hair that I'm grabbing, I'm only grabbing it right next to my ear, not all the way around to the back of the action.
Oh, well, why didn't you do that before? Hold on. Okay. Oh, hold on. Hold on. All right. Okay, hold on.
Continue doing these little sections from my ear to the parting line. If it helps, just bend your ear down so you can see where to take the section.
Okay. Okay. So. All right. So we've got two. How many she end up doing? 1, 2, 3, 4,
And
5.
the last one, do exact
6. I can do this. Got it. Now what?
Alright, let's
Okay.
go to this side and do the exact same thing. The only thing can't stress enough is make sure you have the same amount of sections. So in this one I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sections.
I have to do it again. Oh God. We can do this. Okay. Now that that's done, I officially feel like Baby Spice. What'd she say?
Make sure you have 6 on the side as well. You don't want to have like 10 versus 6. I mean, you can make it even more creative.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Say hello to my little friends. So for all these sections, we're going to create a faux braid. You can get creative. You can do whatever you want here. You can just bring them up into the faux hawk, like pin them down. But I want to have a little bit of texture on the side, just to kind of give a little bit of emphasis, like for these parting lines that we created. I think that is really cool. So what you do is take this first section and split it right in half. So you get 2 equal sections. Split it right in half.
Okay.
We're going to bring this section right behind it forward. Take your little clip and just clip it down to your hair. And these 2 sections that we split in half, we're going to bring them around the section that we brought forward. And then we're going to connect these 2 together. This section that we brought backwards to the section right behind the second section. To keep a little clear elastic and tie them together. So with the third and the first section tied together, we're going to let go of the second section. We're going to split it in half that we just let go. Split it right in half. And then this section right here, we're going to bring it forward. And then the 2 sections, the section we split, bring it back. Clip this section down. And just connect the section that we split with the section right behind it. And tie them off. Split it in half.
Okay. Hold on. Okay. So, okay, there it is. Split and connect. You know what I just thought about? Whenever I have to take this out, it's gonna really not feel good on my hair with all these elastics in here. Okay.
Bring these 2 sections towards the back and clip this one away and then connect. So just continue doing this, and you're always splitting the section in front and bringing the section from behind forward. So because there's only 2 sections left, this is what I do. So I split the top section like I normally would, and I bring this one underneath it, just like so, and I make sure to tie it off, the 2 sections that I split. Just tie it off underneath the section that I brought forward. Alright, so then to finish it off, just tie them off together. So we do the exact same thing on this side, and then we're going to come back and pull this full braid apart just a little bit, just to give it a little bit more emphasis.
Okay, hold on. Ha-ha! I did it. Alright, next side.
Trick to these faux braids, don't tie them off too tight, because you're dealing with smaller sections. So you don't need to be that tight. Alright, so let me pull apart the braid.
Why didn't you tell me that before? Connect. You know, I think braiding's easier than this. Yeah. And, ow, braiding's gonna be a lot less hurtful whenever I'm done and have to take all these out. Yeah, a lot less hurtful.
Just a little bit. Just like I said, I want a little bit more emphasis on the actual braid. I'm just gonna pull apart the outer sections. Just like that.
Okay.
Kind of creates like these really cute parts. So just take the 2 braids and tie them in the back.
Hold on. Okay, so pull apart the outer parts. Yeah, hers looks way cuter than mine. We're not gonna mention that side.
Comfortable, just to connect them and to keep them nice and tight on the sides of your head. Next, just take all of your hair.
Okay, hold on. I gotta connect them to the back.
We're gonna create like a faux hawk.
Bring hair down. Got
To give
it.
this faux hawk a lot more emphasis, I'm gonna turn on my curling iron, and this is the 1/2 inch Conair. And we're gonna give this faux hawk some curls and waves.
Oh, God.
I'm just taking the hair.
All right, hold on. Hold on. Okay. 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 All right. I've got to spray my hair because my hair will not curl if I don't spray it. Anyone else have that problem? Oh my gosh. I can't. I look like a character from Sweeney Todd. Legit. Look like a character from Sweeney Todd. Ow!
Brush my curls through just so I get a little bit more volume out of it and they're not so like tight and perfect. Just make sure you watch out for the sides so you don't mess them up. Alright, so make sure you have a teasing comb on hand. This one right here is like one of my favorites. I got this one off of Amazon, I believe. It's like the Tease Phillips or something. I'll have it linked down below. It's a really great wooden teasing comb. We're going to start teasing sections.
Okay.
So we're going to take the first section from the front and then just start slowly just teasing it close to your roots. Next section.
Again, I say, what? This is going to suck getting out of my hair. Woo!
You can do it as much as you want. We're going to start pinning the faux hawk just a little bit, just to make sure this right here is very emphasized. So we're going to take some of these side sections and bring them towards the middle. Take your mini bobby pins. Make sure they're reduced towards the scalp and just pin them towards the middle.
Okay.
Just like that.
Okay.
Then we'll have like hair going like around it. And do it on both sides. So these hairs right here on the very bottom, I'm actually gonna...
Okay. Starting to look like Prince or Janet Jackson or someone along that line.
When I pinned the sides, I just went back up, fixed up the curve.
Oh, that's not fair. She just kind of skipped. Skipped to the good part. All right. I gotta fix this. I gotta salvage this. We can do it. We can do it. Hold on. It's coming. It's coming. Okay. 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 I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. I feel like we need that that space theme song. That da 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 da. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Nope, 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 nope. Failing. We're failing. We're failing hard. Failing, failing. 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 Okay. 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 Yeah, you look awesome. I look injured.
Pretty much obsessed. Elegant punch, exactly. I like that bit. Elegant punch. No, there's no cutting here. It's just gorgeous.
Yeah.
And this
looks awesome,
our
girl.
second episode of Wear It or Had It. And I already did ask you guys if you would wear it or had it. I kind of have to because I'm stuck with it. So I'm wearing it and we're gonna go get some dinner to a burger joint.
Go follow her if you want to see how to do this or other hairstyles way better than I did. That didn't work out like I wanted it to. This doesn't look cute. No. No, 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 no. Would you wear this? Because I wouldn't. Thank you guys for watching my video. Thanks for joining me today. Hopefully this gave you some fun entertainment. Yeah. Stay tuned for some more hair tutorials that will look way better than this. I've gotten a lot of comments and requests to get a video out to show how I braid my bangs back and how I do some of the fun braid things that I do with my hair and the front part of my hair so it gets out of my face. So I'm definitely going to be uploading some more hair tutorials that will go way better than this one did. Make sure to hit that subscribe button down below right there and like this video, subscribe to my channel, please. It'll help me out a whole lot. And make sure to go follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Bye, guys. One, 14, 15, oh God, 16. Milabu. How do you do this? Oh! Ow! Oh my goodness gracious, ow. Oh. Oh God. Do I look like Bellatrix from Harry Potter? Yes, yes, yes. And that's what you do to the hair that you just destroyed. I look like I'm from the 50s.